do you do in a song when 4/4 just doesn't sound like 4/4 anymore? Do you cry? Do you rage? Do you count like crazy? Well, in this song, Turn It On Again by Genesis, there is an outrageous bit where there's stabs all over the place and it just goes all weird. It's actually 4/4. Genesis have fooled us, you see. Phil Collins has been playing this funny time grouping of 6 and 7. Then it goes into 4 and it all feels fine. And then suddenly all these hits come out of nowhere and it's outrageous. It's actually still just 4, but it does not sound like that at all. Let's take a look at it right now. So the groove itself is going along all chirpy. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, you get this. Wait, what? Wait, what? What? What's going on there? Well, there's a lot of things. If you hear that without watching it, it can be hard to figure out where to put all of your hands. And just listening to it, where are those beats anyway? Now, if you're not really sure about a time signature, one of the things that you can do in order to figure it out is to find the pulse, play a 4, a simple 4 across it, and see if you can maintain it. I decided to just play drums in 4 over this whole bit and have a listen, see how it comes back around again. Here we go. So, keep in time with your left hand and then playing the hits with your snare and your kick and your crashes with the right hand and the right foot. Notice how you sort of get this weird 3 grouping. If I keep doing it, you'll get. It's not in 3, it's in 4. But that might be something that leads you towards it. One of the ways to really nail this sort of thing is to try and internalize the whole thing in 4/4 time. So what we've got going on here is. Now, if I play that for you like it's a 4/4 groove, we get this. Listen for the kick drum. Right? So, boom, 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 yeah. Does it now sound like it's in 4/4? It might take a little bit of mental gymnastics, and that's absolutely fine. Hey friend, we'll jump back to the video in just a moment, but I want to give you an option to fast track your drumming skills with me. You see, there's a lot of great content out there, but personally, the best way I found to improve was find someone who can give you a personalized curriculum that's going to help you play what you want to play. When I was struggling to play faster, I needed a teacher that could see what I was doing and give me the keys to improval right then and there. And because it's been so powerful for me, I want to offer you exactly the same thing right now. You can jump on a free one-to-one call with me, and on that call we will discuss 3 things. Number 1, what are your actual goals with your playing? Number 2, we'll diagnose what's stopping you hitting those goals. And number 3, we'll map out your next 5 moves towards seeing that breakthrough. Now, why do I offer this? There are 2 reasons. Firstly, because I love seeing people win and I love the drums. Secondly, because I do have a long-term lessons program called Pro Level Pathfinder, where I help students implement this curriculum that we map out on the call. And if I reckon you're a good fit for the program, we can certainly talk about that. But regardless, the purpose of this initial call is to see you succeed, see you win, and get all the joy you possibly can from playing the drums. There's a link to book your call in the description below, and I hope to see you there. So let's recap. You find the groove, you find the pulse, and then you internalize that pulse into whatever count you think works best for you. If you go on in the song, you find that that bit happens again, this happens again, but it's slightly different. It goes on for a bit longer. There is in fact another bar, and it's kind of confusing. Let's just play it through slower. We've already internalized the first part of this. Cue comedy vocalizations from me. Boom, 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 boom. So then we need to figure, where did that next bar start? There it is, right there, and we've got a hit immediately afterwards. So, and that makes it confusing because the strong beat is not on the beat one. How ridiculous. What a shambles, eh? If I start it for you on that bar, let's see if you can internalize it in 4/4. And let me know in the comments if it worked. So to start with, if you practice just your hi-hats and a kick drum, and you count yourself in and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. If we had a snare all across that on 2 and 4, we would have. You see now, that's what's happening. So when it comes to the real orchestration around the kit of what this is, you have. So it's all starting with that hi-hat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Putting it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So let me know in the comments, what's the funniest story of failing to play random hits in a tune that you've ever had? Let me know, because we've all been there. We've all been there, and it's tunes like this that throw curveballs at you, isn't it? I would love to know. Leave me a comment and let me know. And hey, I've had fun. I really hope you've had fun. I'd be honoured if you'd subscribe to the channel. That way, the fun can continue and you'll know when I drop a new video. So next time on the channel, it'll be a new song. A song that sounds like it should be simple, and yet is actually fiendishly difficult, frustratingly precise. And we'll be getting into that next time the video is here. I'll see you then.